Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love.
Oh, hi. Guys, it's Viva la Pink Posh. So today we are going to be reviewing this hair from Beequeenhair, and this is 100% human hair from Vietnam, and it's absolutely amazing. It's tangle free, shed free, and it is super thick. I absolutely love it. So just keep watching to find out more about this unit. Hey guys, so this is the construction of the wig. Again, it is a medium cap and it does come with adjustable straps, and this is how the edges look. The ends of the hair, they look pre-clipped, and I love it. So I just wanted to add that this wig's density is super thick, guys. Just keep that in mind when you're ordering. So to color the lace today, we are not bleaching it. We're going to be using tan spray. So I'm just going to flip the wig over and we're going to apply this tanning spray to the lace cap. And you definitely want to make sure you're not getting this tan spray in the hair. So make sure all of the hair is out of the way. As you guys can see on the right side, I have a little bit of hair left out, but I am going to tuck that underneath to make sure I'm only spraying on the lace. So this is how your wig should look once you're spraying it down. You do want to get it to like your actual scalp color if you would be bleaching it, so it has to be very opaque basically. Then I'm going to go in with this round brush and I'm just going to basically flatten that tan spray. Then I'm going to go over that tan spray with some hold spray. I'm using my Got To Be hold spray. This is like my holy grail hold spray, and I'm just going to use that same brush and I'm going to basically flatten down the hold spray. So when you are done, this is how the wig should look. Like, it should look like your scalp color. So now I'm going to go ahead and pen this wig down to my dome head, and I'm going to start plucking. Like, as you guys can see, this hairline is super duper thick, so you are going to be here with this wig plucking it for a while. But I absolutely think it's worth it because this is one of the thickest hair wigs that I have ever gotten my hands on, like I've ever had. It's a human hair wig and it's so thick. You guys will absolutely love it if you're into thick hair. If you like thin hair, then this wig is definitely not for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to customize this hairline, plucking. If you guys are new to wigs, this can be like very time consuming, but if you are like experienced with wigs, you will know that this is a must, guys, because you do not want a freaking straight hairline. So I'm just gonna part the hair and I'm gonna start plucking. Again, this is one of the most important steps to customizing your hair because you want the wig to look realistic. So I'm just gonna do what I do best, which is basically pluck the wig. So this is the finished wig. I absolutely love it. It's super duper duper thick, and I think that's what I love the most about it. And it was easy to work with, easy to pluck, easy to hot iron. And I just wanted to quickly show you guys here how the wig looks before I cut the lace, and I absolutely love it, guys. Love it. Again, the details for this unit will be down below in the description, so check it out to get you one of these units, guys. So this is the finished unit. Once I applied it on my head, I absolutely tootly love this unit, guys. I would definitely recommend it. So until next time, guys, bye.